Hello, my name is Brandon, and today my topic is Morse code. What do you first think about when you hear the word Morse code?
War.
Hmm?
War. Battle.
Yeah, war and battle and yeah. And first, I will show you the meaning of word Morse code, and I will show you some Morse codes and some examples. First, what is Morse code? The Morse code is a communication system developed in the 1830s. The person who made it is Samuel Finley Breeze Morse, and yeah, this is his picture. And actually, it was not his idea. It was just Joseph Henry. Samuel Morse just plagiarized without consent. Why is the Morse code made? Morse code is developed. Operators could translate the intentions marked on the paper tape into text messages. And this is the Korean Morse code and the English Morse code. And you have to see this. And this is, for example, the SOS in Morse code is, this is very short and this is long, and it means T T T and T T T T T and T T T. Okay, one more time. T T T T T T T T T T T T T T T T. Okay? And I will now show you about some example of Morse codes. And this is the Morse code on the Titanic, and this means that they were in an emergency and they needed the rescue, so they used this. And and the second example of Morse code is Jeremy and Denton with blanks Vietnam with the Vietnam War. He told the torturers. And this is the and this was the example of the Jeremy and Denton with blinks. He showed the English people that he was getting tortured in the Vietnam War. And now I will show you about the fall of the Morse code. The Morse code was a very firm language for some time, but now there are electrical text messages, so it fall down a little. But there are some people who use it nowadays too. And this is end of my presentation. And do you have some questions? Okay, no questions. Now I will show you about the quiz. First, how can you say SOS in Morse code? This is the one I showed. Yes? Yes, correct. And wait a second.
구조 회피가 나타나지만
저기 여러분 잠깐만요. 이게 SOS 구조 신호예요. 함께 박자를 맞춰가는 게 가장 중요해요.
요리조가 기술을 발휘하고 이게 뭐야? 사람 살려주세요! 구조대의 시선을 끌기 위해 목이 터져라 외치기를 반복한 끝에
Yes, this was the SOS in Morse code. Get this. And second, who made the Morse code? Yeah, Samuel Morse, but it was actually Henry, Joseph Henry. Yeah, it was Samuel Morse, but it actually was Joseph Henry. And where was the Morse code used in this presentation? Yeah, and yeah, Titanic and during the Vietnam War. Thank you for listening to my speech.